Oh, he has gone live.
Oh yeah, we're now live. Oh, he's gone live.
Yeah, yeah.
And again, you
Yeah.
can't even give him a call because you don't have his phone number.
Yeah.
Are you slacking him?
Yeah, I'm slacking him, and it's like maybe he
Try
can't see Slack
type into the
messages.
chat. Okay, Slack, just to alert him.
Yeah, I'm respond on Slack. I'm respond.
Okay.
Anauliza kama naweza msikia.
But he's not allowed himself in. Can't you allow him in?
He's the one who started, so he has all the.
Oh yes, he is.
Hello?
He's just,
Do you hear me? No?
Yes, we can hear you.
Yes, okay. I was setting up the first session of mock prog about Devops, and I want to try a Docker, play with Docker. Okay.
Nice. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. But I don't remember my login on Docker. Because you have to log into.
Don't they have like a password reset feature?
Mm-hmm. Yes, there is a reset feature. Okay. Sorry. Okay. Sorry. Are you logged into Docker?
Can log in. Is it Docker Hub or something?
I think you've got a page, labs.playswithdocker.com, as you see on my screen, and then you have to log in, and then you can try Docker Labs and quizzes here. Mm-hmm. This is here. Mm-hmm. Okay.
I'm just going to log in with GitHub. Oh, there's not that option. Okay.
Sorry. No, you've got to. Sorry.
I think Sigurd dropped off.
Okay.
He may need to be. He may need to be added back.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, I've got my login here. So I logged into Docker.
Yeah, I'm able to log in.
Yes. Sorry. Okay. I got it. So I'm logged in, and then you click on start. Okay. And then you can add a new instances, but it's not. Okay.
Yeah, they have a very scary warning.
Okay, I'm trying to understand what you're trying to do.
Hello. I'm just trying to begin Docker. There are many labs on their site, and you can learn Docker by just you've got you've got a site name Plays with Docker Classroom, and then you can learn the basics, and then blah blah blah, digging deeper, moving to production, and so on and so on. It's a kind of tutorial about Docker. You understand? Okay.
Yeah, that's okay. I lost you at the end, but that's okay. So you're trying out with the basics.
Yes, because I already know Docker, but I want to, yes, first basics, and then you've got first Linux containers, customizing Docker images, deploy and managing multiple containers, and blah, blah,
Okay,
blah. And then
that
you've
makes
got an ebook.
sense.
Just wonder if it's free. Book about Docker. Oh, it's not interesting. So first Linux container, and then you have something. Okay, you've got running your first container, Docker container run. Do you already know Docker? Okay, and then you can faire un Docker.
Yes, I have an idea of what Docker is, but I'm not so professional in Docker. Yeah.
So you run your first container, and then okay, you did you manage to connect to the site, to Docker training website?
Yeah, I'm there, and I think it's taking a while to. Okay, let me just see if I can clear.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, I think
Then you've
I'm
got
there.
this. Then you've got this first. Okay.
The basics.
Oh yes. You go
Okay.
into basic stage
Then Docker
1,
for beginners. Okay.
and then you go into first Linux containers. You click through, and then you've got a command.
Basics.
Docker container run hello -world. So it pulls the image, and if you do Docker PS, you see no Docker PS. Ah yes, Docker.
I think I went to the wrong one.
I think the container only run once. When you do this.
Yeah, I think I went to the wrong.
Mm-hmm. It pulls
So
the
where
image.
did you get?
Mm-hmm.
Training play Docker. Yeah, please share that.
So if I explain how it works, there is a registry. You pull. There are images in the registry, and you pull the image from the registry, and then you run. And then you've got a message. The container play a message and shut down. Hello from Doctor, blah, blah, blah. And then so a container is an application abstraction.
Yep.
Okay, so we know that. And then Alpine Linux, I think it's a light. Yes. Alpine Linux is a small version of Linux. In a small distribution. Okay. So Docker image pool Alpine. You can share your screen, maybe, Mike?
Yeah, okay. Sure.
It will be. And so we switch. Sorry. Yes.
So I was here.
Mm-hmm.
No, I was not there. Here.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
And okay, let me just clear. Oh shit, where am I? Oh, I think everything I type is coming like a second late. Then I should do Docker.
Docker pool, Docker run hello world. Yes.
It's hello world. And this, it's not running. It's saying hello from Docker. Okay.
Yes. Then so he pulls the. I think he pulls the image from the registry, and then it runs once, and then the container is shut down.
Okay. And then now after that, what I was going to do is this Docker image pool Alpine.
Mm-hmm.
Man. So there we have it.
Yes.
Then we want to list the images. Why is it?
Okay.
So we have 2 images. So here we just want to run Docker container. Yeah, there's a lot of delay.
Mm-hmm.
With my internet. Docker. Docker container. Yeah, there's a problem here. Container run Alpine. Yep, so that imports the Alpine.
He runs the Alpine containers, and then it executes a shell ls -l.
Yeah, nice. So I need to do Docker. Yeah. Alpine. Cool.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
And why did? Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah, I had not seen that. I thought it did not.
Sorry.
And then, yeah, I was thinking it did not display this. I just wasn't keen enough. And then now,
imaging, booting up a virtual machine, running a command and then killing it. Okay, try another command. Docker container run alpine /bin /sh. Okay, and then you've got okay, you've got
so now we are inside the container. And you can just run ls. Is that so? I don't think so. Oh yeah, I should have done -it.
yes, me too. Interactive IT for interactive.
Interactive terminal.
You name -a. Okay. ls -l. Alpine, I don't know how you say it. Alpine is a Ubuntu. It's bizarre.
Yeah.
Yes, it's Ubuntu. The root of Alpine.
It's Ubuntu.
Okay.
Yes.
Didn't know that.
So now it lists all the containers that are running.
-all Docker container ls -r. Okay.
So
yes, because you've got as many containers as you. Okay. As you started with run.
okay.
As many instances, and the ID is the hash at the beginning.
This.
Yes, and you can delete if you, for instance, you've Docker delete, Docker container delete, or Docker container drop. I don't remember. Docker container delete or drop. No, it's drop. I think drop. And the ID, it's like I think it's drop. Docker container. No, it's not drop, it's erase.
Or is it just
Erase
delete
or
with
drop?
der?
Erase.
Erase doesn't work. So whenever we run an image, it creates a new container.
Yes.
Okay.
It's RM, remove.
Yeah.
Docker
Yeah.
containers, Docker containers, remove. So Docker container.
Yeah, that works. Perfect.
Docker container remove rm f. Yes, it works. And you can just type the first letters of the ID, because it's like in GitHub, you don't have
Yeah.
to every. So you've got some Docker container instances exited.
So this ls command, what does it do that the other does?
Sorry.
Just running docker container ls. It only shows the containers which are running.
Yes. And it only shows the container running, and when you add the -a, it shows
All the containers.
all the container, whatever their status, because you've got a status colon. When you yes, they explain it. Exited.
Yeah. The status.
So next step is container isolation.
Okay.
Okay, echo hello world.
What's the problem with mine?
You don't have any problem? You have a problem? It's /bin/hash, not a bash. Again shell, not born again shell.
You said against shell, not born against shell.
I don't know if it's
Bash.
really against shell, Ash, but
Yeah.
Bash is born again, I think.
Oh yeah, born against shell.
I think
Being
something like
bashed.
that.
So we want to echo.
Yeah, you got it. And then if you, yes.
So I should now docker. No, I should exit first.
Yes.
And then do docker container. Where did my file go?
Because it's the same kind of mechanism. When you, I think the relationship between in object oriented language, you've got class and instances, and every time you run, you create a new instance of your container. So the new instance can't see what is in the previous one, and they explain how to get back to your to the instance you created before.
Oh, okay. So okay, now you can do docker
ls -all, and then you can run docker start, something like that. Okay.
Yes. Sorry, this is.
Yes, and then you can start it, docker container start.
Sorry to interrupt. I have to leave. It was a pleasure having you guys.
Okay.
Nice. Thanks for joining, Sigu.
Thanks, Sigu.
All right. Thank you very much.
Yeah. I think I've not been using this start command. With doc. So how did they do it? So that started it and then it died again.
I think it is running in the background. If you type yes, and if you type ps, you see docker ps, you see the container.
Oh, okay. It does the same thing as docker container ls.
Yes. And then you can execute something against a running container.
Okay.
Yes, you've got your hello world file.
Yeah. Nice.
Yes.
And then now. Yeah, they're saying you can just use 3030.
Images.
So here
Containers.
they're just telling us about terminologies.
Sorry.
In the next phase, they're just describing about the terminology used in Docker.
In the next.
Like here in this section 1.3, they're just describing the terminologies around Docker.
Yes. Images.
So the image is the file, the file that we run against.
I think the images is like a class in an object-oriented language. It's the way you build your container, and a container is an instance of an image.
Yeah. Okay. And then a daemon. The host that manages building.
The daemon is like your virtual box. It's the thing that you put your container on the daemon.
Okay. So Docker client is what we interact with on the command line. Then Docker store is the registry where images are directory of all available Docker images. So this is a question. Where do images get pulled from by default when not found locally? Is that Docker Hub?
I think so. Let's try.
Which command lists your Docker images? Docker.
You can try Docker image ls. No. Docker
I don't think that exists. Command container ls.
It's not Docker image. It's Docker image. No.
Yeah, Docker image lists. Like now we have 2 images. So that.
But it's not Docker Hub because I tried it and I was wrong. It's Docker Store. the registry.
So where do? So Docker store is
Store is amongst the
registry
registry of Docker images, and so you have to
you can think of the register directory of all available Docker images you'll be using later in this tutorial. Okay.
You got it.
I stole the examination.
Okay. So I've got to go.
Yeah.
Maybe we can continue next week.
Yes, sure. Nice. Thanks,
okay.
Mikael.
Thank you.
Yeah.
See you next week. Bye.
Okay, bye.